Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video, I will teach you how we can use custom fonts in our Android application. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. I am uploading coding and programming related videos regularly. Now let's back to the topic. There are two ways to use custom fonts in Android application. There is default fonts provided by Android Studio, and we can also download fonts and use directly in our Android project. Now let's quickly add two more text views in our layout. So orientation is vertical. Reformat the code. Let me get rid of these extra lines. Now let's make text bigger. Text size, I guess 28 sp, and margin 10 dp. Same for all two text views. Now we have three text views. Let's run and check output. Let's add custom fonts. The easiest way to add custom fonts in our Android project. Switch to designs. In the attributes panel, find font family attribute. Here you can change default font and you can add your own fonts also. Now let's add our custom font. Open this panel, click on more font. Here we have list of fonts provided by Google. Let's add Montserrat. We will use Montserrat regular and OK. So here you can see we have implemented Montserrat font. It will automatically create fonts folder and add fonts file in it. This is the one way. Let's add Poppins font from the same way. Open font family tab. Now let's use second text view. Open font family. We can use Montserrat or we can add one more free font provided by Google, Poppins. Click on OK, and now you can see the difference. Poppins font added automatically. Second method, we can use downloaded fonts from internet into our Android Studio. Let's open Google Chrome. I have already opened two websites for free fonts. You can use any one of them or you can download from other websites also. Here I will show you digital clock fonts. Now you can download any of the folder. I have already downloaded this ticking time bomb font. So let's use directly. Now unzip the download file. Open folder. Let's rename these files. I will say digital font also digital italic, and let's copy both the files, or as you want. I will copy in both. Ctrl C, open Android Studio and paste it inside fonts folder. Now we can directly use fonts from the fonts folder by typing digital font. You can see we can use directly from the fonts folder. Now let's run and check the output. As you can see, we have used custom fonts inside our Android applications. We have used default fonts provided by Android Studio, and we have used downloaded fonts from the internet. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you will like it. Like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.